Is your cat overweight and you're not sure what else to try? You've cut back, switched foods, maybe even begged your cat to go on a diet and nothing has worked. You're not alone, and you're not a bad pet parent. In this video, I'll share 12 realistic, practical, vet-approved tips to help your cat lose weight and stay healthy for years to come. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Oz. According to the Association for Pet Obesity Prevention, 61% of cats are overweight, and I'm going to argue dry food is the culprit. It is calorie dense, easy to overeat, and oftentimes left out all day. Here's the kicker. If your cat eats 10 extra kibbles in a day, they will gain a pound of fat each and every year. That may not sound like a lot, but for a 10-pound cat, that is 10% of their body weight. When it comes to dry food, think potato chips for cats. Again, just 10 extra kibbles in a day. That's all it takes for your cat to get a full pound in a year. You're watching this video because you've tried to get weight off your cat and nothing has changed. Here are some common reasons why your cat is not losing weight. Reason number 1, relying only on a weight loss diet. Weight loss diets can help, but they're not magic. Weight loss is an active process. I've seen plenty of cats gain weight on a weight loss diet. Why is that? That's because these diets still need portion controls, regular weigh-ins, and adjustments. The real issue is you don't know your cat's unique metabolism, and honestly, no one does. Every cat is different, and there is no one-size-fits-all cat weight loss program. Look at how many weight loss programs and diets we have for humans. If this was easy and straightforward, we wouldn't have so many options. Reason number 2, giving in to the drama. Let's be honest, your cat knows how to push your buttons. Screaming at 4 a.m., biting your feet in the middle of the night, knocking things off the counter. It's exhausting, I get it, but don't give up. Your cat's health depends on it. Obesity increases the risk for diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, and high blood pressure, and that's some serious stuff. It can feel like an eternity trying to find a diet that actually promotes weight loss in your cat, but it's worth it. Reason number 3, thinking exercise will fix it. I wished it worked that way, but cats just don't burn enough calories during play. I can run on a treadmill for an hour and burn about 300 calories. I can then eat a donut and completely wipe away those calories I just burned off in under a minute. Realistically, you will not be able to exercise your cat to weight loss. So when it comes to weight loss, think calories, not exercise. And now, here are my 12 practical tips to help your cat lose weight. Tip number 1, get everyone on the same page. Before we even begin, make sure everyone is on board. No secret snacks from family members. Your cat knows who the weak one is. You do too. Tip number 2, feed in meals. Cats thrive on routine. They are creatures of habit. So feed your cat in the same spot at consistent times, even if it's just before work, when you get home, or right before bed. And don't leave food out all day long. Tip number 3, measure every meal exactly. Use measuring cups. A spoonful or a handful is not enough. Be precise. This gives us a starting point that we can cut back from down the road. Tip number 4, prioritize canned food over dry food. Most of my success stories come from switching to canned food. It is lower in calories, higher in protein, and can be more filling. You can promote weight loss with dry food, but it is much, much harder. Remember, 10 extra kibbles more in a day, and your cat will gain a pound every year. Tip number 5, feed in multiple small meals. I generally recommend feeding your cat in 2 or 3 meals because it's easy to revolve around your life. You feed your cat when you wake up in the morning, when you get home from work, and right before bed. Even better, if your schedule allows, feed your cat in 4 to 6 meals. No matter how many meals you feed your cat throughout the day, make sure the total daily calories are the same. Tip number 6, feed a meal right before bed. This can help with those middle of the night hunger tantrums. You can even make this meal a little bit larger to help keep your cat fuller through the night. Just make sure your cat's daily calories does not change. Tip number 7, limit treats and count them. Set a treat limit per day, no exceptions. Once a treat limit is reached, no more treats until the next day. If you are having visitors over, make sure they are aware and are following the rules. Tip number 8, use an automatic feeder wisely. Automatic feeders can help with routine, allow you to be more consistent, and offer your cat multiple meals throughout the day. If you are using an automatic feeder, monitor it closely. Some cats have learned how to trigger automatic feeders in giving them more food. Some automatic feeders overfeed. Again, a few extra kibbles can lead to weight gain. Tip number 9, redirect the begging. Be creative with your cat's begging for food energy. Play, brush, cuddle, or give them fresh water as they tug on your heartstrings for more food. There are plenty of games, toys, and puzzles to put food in for mental stimulation. Hunger isn't always hunger. Sometimes it's boredom. Tip number 10, be patient. This will be frustrating. Slow and steady wins. As a general rule, I don't want a cat losing more than half a pound a month. If your cat loses weight too quickly, they can develop fatty liver disease, which is a very serious medical condition. That's why patience is key. Tip number 11, recheck their weight often. Recheck your cat's weight every 2 weeks and write it down to track their progress. As your cat's weight plateaus, we can make adjustments as needed. Calorie calculators and feeding guidelines on your cat's diet are great starting points. However, your cat has a unique metabolism, and each cat will metabolize a diet differently. Unfortunately, there is not a one-size-fits-all. That's why regular weight rechecks is extremely important. Tip number 12, talk to your vet often. A quick email with a weight update to your vet can keep everyone on the same page. Your vet can also rule out medical issues before and during your cat's weight loss journey. But I have more than one cat and they eat different diets. I hear this all the time and I've done it myself. In my experience, the approach that works best is to feed each cat behind a closed door in the same cat order and the same location each and every time. You can use vertical space if you have an overweight cat that can't jump up high, or a smart feeder that allows only the cat with the correct microchip or collar to eat from that specific bowl. Weight loss in a multi-cat household can be done with a little patience and creativity. It is easier to prevent weight gain than to take it off. That's why I discuss weight gain prevention during the kitten months. So if your kitten is 9 to 12 months of age, start these habits now. Specifically, meal feeding and focusing on canned food. Once your cat reaches a year of age and officially enters adulthood, their metabolism slows, and that's when weight gain begins. So what should I feed my cat to help them lose weight? Great question, and one that is very difficult to answer. Unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of trial and error. Personally, I've moved away from recommending specific diets and really have focused on increasing canned food. However, weight loss diets, if your cat will eat them, have a lot of benefits, and some cats do respond to these diets. They are generally lower in calories per serving size, have more protein. Since cats are carnivores, we want to preserve their muscle mass while they're losing weight, are generally lower in fat. Fat is high in energy density, especially compared with other energy sources, and are typically higher in fiber. Fiber can make your cat feel fuller and more satisfied to help prevent overeating. But be careful, not every weight loss diet has these characteristics. If you want to try a true weight loss diet, chat about it with your vet. Here's the bottom line. Don't leave food out all day. Feed in meals behind closed doors. Cut way back on the dry food and focus on canned food. Be consistent and ignore the drama. Your cat will learn the new routine with time. And remember, you've got this. Your cat will thank you, even though they won't act like it. If you found these tips helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.